Welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about the brand new 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross. And trust me, this SUV might just be the one everyone has been waiting for. Toyota has completely redefined the Corolla Cross with a bold new design, smarter tech, and features that will leave you questioning whether you're really looking at a compact crossover or something far more premium. From the outside, the first thing that grabs your attention is the aggressive front grille, paired with slimmer, sharper LED headlights that give it a powerful road presence. The body lines are smoother yet more muscular, making it look sportier than ever. And, yes, Toyota finally listened. This time you're getting stylish 19-inch alloy wheels that completely transform its stance. Step inside, and things get even more exciting. The 2026 Corolla Cross comes with a completely redesigned dashboard, featuring a massive touchscreen infotainment system, a fully digital instrument cluster, and a sleek center console. Premium leather seats, ambient lighting, and detailed stitching give the cabin a luxurious feel you don't normally expect at this price point. Space is also improved, making it more family-friendly and practical for long drives. Under the hood, Toyota is offering multiple options, including an upgraded hybrid powertrain that delivers both power and incredible fuel efficiency. The handling feels smoother. The ride comfort has been boosted with refined suspension, and advanced safety features now come standard, meaning Toyota hasn't just focused on looks, but on performance and peace of mind too. This SUV is designed to challenge rivals like the Honda HR-V, Hyundai Tucson, and even Toyota's own RAV4. The question is, can it really replace them as the go-to SUV for the masses? One thing's for sure, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross is no longer just another crossover. It's a bold statement from Toyota that practicality, style, and technology can all live together in one package. So, what do you think? Is this the SUV you've been waiting for, or would you still go for the competition? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss the latest car reveals and reviews.